this is Sandy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a really quick, well, not quick, haul. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So Jana K Designs was having a huge clearance where things were pretty inexpensive. So I did pick up some stamps. These were really large stamp sets. And I think they're like 6x8. I believe they were between $4.95 and $6.95. Really, really good deal. I got this one, which is, I don't even know what it's called, some kind of melon one or fruit one. And I also got the matching dies, which were very, very inexpensive. And then there was this one, this cake one, kind of a wedding or anniversary one. And this one, which is, I think part of their, like, electro pop line, like pop flowers or something like that. And this one here. And this one right here. So, really good deal on those. And then, I think it's die cut. Let me see. No, this was actually Echo Park. They had a lot of their dies 50% off. I didn't buy too many of them, but I already took them out of the packaging just because I'm kind of trying to put stuff away. So everything is kind of packaged and ready to go, so I can get it put away so that I can actually maybe do some crafting. So it's like this. This one set was a relax, like palm tree set, and that one was normally $10, but it was half off, so it's $5. And then this one, it says Surfs Up, and it comes with some sandals here. And this one, the Surfs Up, was also, I'm sorry, the palm tree set was $15 and half off. It was $7.50. And the Surfs Up was $10, half off. It was $5. And then this one right here, I got this little gem. That gem one was $4.99, so it was $2.50. And then this says, let's see, I think it says Always and Forever word die. That one was $19.99, half off $10. And then this wedding cake, normally $19.99, was half off $10. And then I got this like a Tomorrowland alphabet. And so the Tomorrowland alphabet was $15, half off. It was $7.50. So I couldn't help but get that one. I did want their file tab die set, but of course that one was out. That was like the main one I wanted, of course. And then there's an award ribbon one. That one was $4.99, but half off it's $2.50. And then this was from the Disney line that they have. Magic Memory die set. It was $12.75, but half off, so it's $6.50 or whatever, $6.40, something like that. And so the hat comes with these little tickets, which I thought would be cute. And so I got those. That was from Echo Park Paper. And let's see, let's go ahead and get started here on the rest of this stuff. This is Tailored Expressions. So when you spend $100, you get something free for the month. This is what I got free for this month, which is Bursting Bloom. And this is what it looks like. So that one was free for the month. And I got a couple of their mini slim lines. The Sentiment Strip Duo. And I got some inks that are going to go with a class that I'm taking with them. And so these are the inks that I got. And the 6x6 stencil. This is a Sunburst. And I'll get into this in a second. They always put your invoice in an envelope, and then you get a free die. Now this die, I don't think I have this one. This one is really cute. It's like a spring one. It's little carrots. So that comes free. So put that there. And throw that away. Okay, so, and then I got the Field Notes 2 kit. I really liked the Field Notes 1. I did do a video on that one. So here is what you get in this kit. You get the cool bag, and I store all of my kits just in the bag. But you get this splatter background stamp. You get some watercolor envelopes, I think. I feel like watercolor envelopes. And watercolor paper. You get the sketchbook bouquet and the die. And then you also get a mask as well as some seals. So, and then the last thing that I want to share with you guys is Markerpop. So Markerpop had a bunch of polka doodles stuff, and so it's kind of nice to buy it without having to, you know, buy it from the UK. So they had a bunch of it. It was a pre-order, so it took a little while to get here. So let me show you what I got. So I've had my eye on this one, which is this Winnie Relax stamp for a while. It's a clear stamp. See how I like that, how it stamps. And then the gnomes. So gnomes are super hot right now, and they have a couple really, really cute, actually a lot of cute gnome stuff. So I kind of was selective. I tried to pick gnomes that were ones that could be used year-round and not just specific for a holiday, because I do have like winter and Christmas ones already. So this one's Nobody Else Will Do. So, and this one is No Matter What. And this is called Gnome for Tea. And then my love of houses. So I am going to have to do some things with these houses. I don't know if I'm going to combine them with gnome stamps or if I'm going to just do art journal type stuff. Haven't decided, so maybe I'll do all that. This one's called Not So Simple. And so this one you can build different houses. And you have different, you know, I mean, this can be used as a tree or the top of a house. You've got chimneys and all different things. You can make two-story houses. And then they all have like a sun and a moon. It's very whimsical. So it's lots of fun things to build a house. And that one is called Not So Simple. And then this one is called Magic Garden. So it's all these different stamps that you can make a garden out of. And I think you can even use this one here maybe for the top of one of these houses. Like if I wanted to do like a gnome house, I think that'd be really cute. All of these probably would fit with that. It's kind of cute. But yeah, you can make a different types of garden. I think these would be really great with the jelly prints. Here's another house one. This is another one where you can build your house, and they give you some samples and examples of that and different ways you can build a house and build a little scene. I think it's really cute. And then I got a couple papers, even though I don't really need paper, but I kind of have my eye on these papers because they're really cute and vibrant. This one's called Starfish and Sandcastles. This one is Winnie Mermazing. I also thought, because I have a button maker, so I thought that these would be really cute. Some of these I can cut the images out to make buttons. They'd be really cute. So, and then this actually goes with a stamp set that I had gotten. This is from Markerpop. I was just looking for the matching die. This is the Sweet Ice Cream. I have the stamp set, so I can be able to match that up. And then a couple other stencils. There's this one, which is numbers and letters. Kind of fun. It coordinates with an alphabet stamp set, but I'm just going to use it as a stencil. And then this one is a butterfly stencil, which I oddly enough don't have. And then this is like a mosaic. It's called Moroccan Screen. And so that's from Markerpop. And then from, I think it's Joggles, I bought the new Studio Light by Marlene, art by Marlene. And so this is some rice paper. And I have the really large art journal. So I thought maybe I would use that large art journal. I don't know. Or maybe I would just use a smaller one and cut them, and I don't know. But anyway, these are going to go in my art journal. So this one is rice paper. And there's a couple different designs that I got. So this one with the girl I got. Got the one with the girl. I got this one with the flamingo. I got this girl. So really pretty and fun. So I thought some stuff to play with. The collage paper. So I got this collage paper. It's very light weight paper. So you don't feel like doing jelly prints. You've got some paper that you can lay down to do art journaling. And then I got a couple stencils. I got this stencil, which is, I don't know what this one's called. They call them masks, but they're stencils. So I don't know what this one is. But anyway, I got this one. It reminds me of like a lemon. And then this one. And then I got these two paper elements, which you can just put, I mean, if you wanted to do something simple, you could just put some paint down on your art journal or canvas, and then you can just glue some of these down to make a scene. So she has these two different die cut books, very whimsical, kind of different than my normal. So I'm trying to like expand my horizons and just kind of explore some other mediums. So this one is, I forget, they have two different names. I think this one is, this is part of the Marlene's World line. Anyway, I got that one. They have names. I think one's lemon, one's lime, or something like that. And then here's this one. And they just pop right out. And there's all kinds of things on the YouTube that you can look at and see. So that is my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with Art.